To delete Google account permanently, you first have to navigate to your Gmail app. On this interface, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile icon and click it. A pop-up menu will appear with a list of options. Make sure to select the account that you want to delete. In this case, I'm going to tap on this one, then allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. This will redirect you on an interface like this. Continue to click on data and privacy. Then with this selected, when you scroll down to the bottom area, you will see the delete option. In this case, I have two options: to make a plan for your digital legacy or delete your Google account. In order for us to delete our account, just quickly click on the delete your account, then allow it a bit of moment again to finish loading. Just do a simple verification to verify you. Then after that, you'll be given some terms and conditions to read through. If you are satisfied with everything, you just have to click on I understand. Then scroll down again and then continue to the bottom and make sure you tick on these two boxes. Then continue to click on delete account. After that, you have successfully deleted Google account permanently. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.